So starting it from your taskbar is one click. Just click that one time and it starts up. Okay, this login page, you can just go ahead and X out of that. We don't need to log in if you don't want to. Okay, so here's Power BI. We have the ribbons here at the top. Home menu, view menu, modeling menu, and we have a file menu here. And then we have panes. We have the panes here on the right hand side. And then we have this guy over here. Okay, so we need some data. What you can do is just create a simple notepad file. You can name it anything you want. I just named it data, so I know which file is what. Data.txt is my notepad file. Inside there, I just created 3 rows. It kind of represents like a row in a database, you know, and the values are separated by a comma. So I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible, just so you can see what we do with Power BI. So level 1 is 50, level 2 is 25, level 3 is 25. So these add up to 100. Okay. And then I'm just going to change this TXT to CSV. CSV. That CSV means comma separated values. If you don't see your extensions, what you can do is go to View menu and go to Options, and it says Change Folder and Search Options. And then under View, go to Hide Extensions for Known File Types. If you uncheck that, if you uncheck Hide Extensions for Known File Types, then you'll see your 3-letter extension. Some files have 4, and even I've seen them as 5. You know. They used to be known as 3-letter extensions, but they have all kind of things going on now. So, okay, so that's why I can see my file extensions. Some people just leave it turned off because they don't want to bother with the file extension. Mainly because we don't need to see it anymore. We can tell what type of file it is just by looking at the icon. We can tell this is an Excel file by the picture. We can tell it's a notepad file by the picture, and so on. So we don't need to see the extension. Okay, so we're going to bring this data file into Power BI. So we go back to Power BI. We're on the Home menu, and then click Get Data. Now it's asking you what type of file do you want to import. what's the file type. So you can see it can import all types of files. Right here at the top, it says text or CSV. We're going to select that one and then click the connect button. Now it's asking where is that file. We'll go to desktop and go to business intelligence folder. Here's our CSV file. Click open. Now it's importing the file. Now it's asking us, is this what we want? We have options that we can change here at the top, and then click load. So it loads the data into Power BI. Now we get this guy here on the right. Okay. It says the name of the file, column 1, column 2. Right, we had 2 columns in our file. Here's the 2 columns. This is one column. This is another column. Okay, so back in Power BI, if we just put check marks on these guys, then it shows us the data here. So these are those squares that we were looking at in the pictures out on the web. We can move these around. We can change them up. These guys here, we can use these to change the type of display we have here.